Hi guys, this is Oscam here. I'm just having a little bit of problem with the game center. It's no sound. But before that, if I try here, look at on YouTube, I have sound here. It's no problem. If I want to watch any of the video,
it was the message which shut down Sydney Airport. Call station.
No problem. I have a sound, no issue. I go music, I can't go. Let's try something else. Maybe one free app that I have. What's this app here? It's a TV app. Free view. ABC.
I think Labor's likely
to match it's no issue with the sound here, but when I go to the game center, there's no sound. Now, if I want to play, it's no sound. But after a long time of workout, I couldn't figure it out. I come up with this idea here. I think it's this button here. So let's see the sound. All the sounds are back. So it's a very easy fix. Sorry about the quality of the video. It's a very easy fix, as you can see. If you are having a problem with the sound on your game center, you can always change this button here. Just make sure this is not on silent. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Please check out my other videos.